Dr. Vijay Ratansi, Chancellor of the University of Nairobi, Ambassador Simon Bukwesi, Principal Secretary, State Department for University of Nairobi, for University Education, Council members, Professor Stephen Kiama Gitahi, 8th Vice Chancellor, University of Nairobi, former Vice Chancellors present, University management, university staff, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. As Shakespeare taught us that brevity is the soul of wit, allow me to make my remarks short and tidy. My council and I are greatly honored to participate in today's event of installing the 8th Vice Chancellor of the University of Nairobi, Professor Stephen Kiama Gitahi. Allow me on behalf of Council to congratulate you on this achievement and to wish you well as you begin your tour of duty. At this very onset, let me thank the government of our republic as our primary sponsor for its unfailing support to this university, to her governors, and to the mission for which the university was founded. Further, I wish to thank the Public Service Commission for its exemplary stewardship of the selection and recruitment process in respect of the Vice Chancellor of the University of Nairobi. Secondly, allow me to express my sincere appreciation for the Chancellor's positive commendation of the Council's engagement in Vice Chancellor recruitment process. In the rat race that is life in the city, it takes a keen sense of judgment not to overlook positive contributions. Madam Chancellor, thank you very much. In the aftermath of competition to ascend to the highest executive office of this university, history informs us that colleagues previously united in common pursuit are given to acrimonious fallouts to the detriment of scholarship and common purpose. Such fallouts sometimes manifested in incessant attempts by managers below the Vice Chancellor to sabotage his leadership so that at his expense they can ascend to the same office. I want to appeal to you, the Deputy Vice Chancellors, to recognize that success is a collective enterprise. In the Vice Chancellor's success, we all succeed. And in his failure, we all fail. In this context, therefore, I invite you to work together and support the Vice Chancellor in delivery of key reforms. The world is watching. Let us not fail short of their best expectation of us. Professor Kiama, you are the best among equals. You've done well to secure the confidence of the recruiting institutions and organs. Now the hard work begins. The Chancellor has done her part to strengthen governance. The Council has done its part in formulating and documenting the blueprints that mark the path to our destination. So we look forward to you and your team to champion re-engineering of our systems and processes and institute meaningful reforms in critical areas
where I
of
sit at the moment as Cabinet Secretary in the Ministry of
governance
Education,
mechanisms,
looking at
physical
the whole nation.
and resource
The
management.
University of Nairobi is
Even to the nimblest of hands, the task at hand and the burden of expectation is daunting. We have every confidence in your abilities to rally the troops and deliver the change that all progressive minds yearn for. So on behalf of Council, you have our support. I call for patience, understanding, and unqualified support from all members of the university and our stakeholders. We have a long road to travel together. Let me conclude by reiterating the words of the Chancellor. Professor Kiama, I pray that wisdom and foresight may be in your stead from this day onwards, that you may act justly, love mercy, and walk humbly with your God. Let us now retreat to our stations of work and dedicate our efforts and energies in the spirit of pulling together. Unitate the labor. Unite in labor. With those few remarks, I want to say asante sana, and may God bless University of Nairobi. God bless Kenya.
I will now invite you to listen to the remarks by Cabinet Secretary Prof.